OFM Sport.
Niels, just away from the SA Cup a little bit, as a young player, how exciting is it to get Foster coming to the Cheetahs in a couple of months' time? He's obviously, of course, going to be the link between the pack and the back line for you guys, and probably going to play that Ruan Pienaar role that he played when he came back a couple of years ago.
For me, it's very exciting. I mean, I've been watching Faf since I've been a little boy on TV, and when he was still here at the Lions, and started playing for the Springboks, and obviously he's a World Cup winning Springbok, so that's very exciting. I think obviously he's going to bring a lot of experience, and I think we're going to benefit a lot from that. His knowledge of the game, obviously he's learned a lot from where he has played. He's been in England, he has been in Japan, in his setup with the Springboks. So I think all the players can look forward to him coming. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Yeah.
And he's generally a player that leads by example. He never looks rattled. He always looks cool, composed. He'll put that big hit in. So a lot of valuable lessons from the youngsters to learn from a player like that as well.
Yeah, definitely. I always say there's a reason you have 2 ears and 1 mouth. It's because you need to listen more than speak. And I like those type of players. I look up to those type of players. And I mean, a guy like Faf comes with a lot of pedigree. And I mean, if he's going to say something, I'm going to listen to it. But it's nice to have a player that backs up what he says, or doesn't have to say anything. You know, he's going to do his job. He knows his job. He's going to do it 100%, and you back him on that. So, yeah, that's really nice.